Hi, this is Rick Williams again with my introduction to using Logos version 6. In this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up collections. And collections are a subset of your entire library, and you can search on individual collections, which cuts down the massive results that you'll typically get doing searches. So, to begin setting up a collection, go up to the tools. First thing you'll see under library is collections, and we're going to pull this over to the right, and you'll see why in just a second. What you'll want to do is you have two choices. You can either open up your collections by clicking here, or have a new collection here. You don't actually have to type that. You can just type up here, and you can say, let's say that we want to have a collection of our Bible commentaries. So we're going to call this Bible commentaries, and I'm going to name it Spare so that I can go back in later and delete it. Now you'll notice that right here it says start with resources matching. And we're going to begin with a basic rule. And what the resource matching is in the descriptors for your library. For example, if you type in Bible, you're going to get everything that says Bible. If you type in commentary, your commentaries you're going to get, or commentary, you're going to get everything that's a commentary, and there are commentaries other than Bible commentaries that can end up in these libraries, so you don't want to do that. What we're going to do is we're going to do a very basic match here by just typing in Bible commentary, and you'll see that what Logos has done is taken a look at your library, and they've gone through here and looked at the titles of your library books, and then they have pulled this down into the resulting collection. Now, a lot of these may be what you're looking for, some may not. So, for example, this Bible commentary down here, Be Available, Be Comforted. These are sort of pastoral commentaries. If that's what you want to search through normally on your commentary search, great, leave them in there. If not, what you can do is grab one of these, pull it up over here, and it'll take it out. If you pull it back, actually no, you'd have to add it back later. Sorry about that. Now, here's the other way that you can do it. Open up your library, and now you see why I pulled this over here, because the library will always open up on the left-hand side. And you'll notice that you have two types of commentary. This is general commentaries, and you're liable to get a lot of things on here. For example, I have a collection of Greek classical texts, Electra, on and on, Cicero, things of that nature, and these are commentaries on those texts, and you really don't want those in your Bible commentary. But you also have Bible commentary up here. It shows 475 items that Logos considers to be straight Bible commentary. If you see something over here that's not over in your collection, you can just grab it and pull it over to the add. Boom, now you've got it, so it's in there. One of the kind of painful things that happens is that this window tends to close every time you do that. You can get around that by going up, as I think you can, open in a floating window, and then I'll just sit there and float on your screen. I'm not going to do that right now because I need to keep it within the view of the video we're shooting here, but you can do that, in which case it's not going to close every time you pull it over. From that, all you need to do is close it. Then if you want to see it, you can go back to your tools, collections, click open, go down to your commentaries, and look for wherever it ended up putting it. It's interesting. Should be here. I'm going to have to redo this. There we go. Bible Commentaries Spare. And there's your collection. And when you go in to do a search, and you do basic, you go here, I'm not sure where to put it in there, so Bible Commentary Spares. So now when you do a search, you're only searching on those items that are in that particular collection. And you'll notice that in particular on mine, when you take a look at the collections I've got, I have a bunch of them and I've built these up during various periods of time when I was working on particular things. Lexicon, Greek, Hebrew, Latin, Luther's works, N.T. Wright's works, by different denominational theologies, so I can do comparative theology and some classwork I've done. It's very useful. It takes quite a bit of time to build them up, but it's very, very useful to take the time to actually do it. You'll generally find that when you update resources or you're working on a particular project, it kind of goes hand in hand to build up a particular collection for that type of work so that you can go back and reuse it when the need for it comes up again. But that's how you build collections. Hope you found this useful. Have a great day and blessings.